Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is the unboxing video of a remote control top racing high performance
car.
remote control car.
Oh yeah!
And this is Mr. Viveks. He got this for his Christmas last year.
Not Christmas for my birthday and I give it.
Okay, he got this for his birthday.
Last year when I was in second
And
year.
it's more than a year, and he's now going to unbox it.
Well,
okay, let's begin. We have our batteries here ready and our Phillips screwdriver too.
let's
Okay.
unbox this baby.
Let's do it.
Okay. Something here. We need a little thing now.
Okay, so we need our doll to help.
Right? Got out the
Right,
remote.
the remote came out. That. Oh, we got what there? What's that? 2 Phillips screws. Okay,
I'm just going it out.
go ahead and remove it.
This is right way?
Yes, yes, you're being correct.
This is so.
And here's Mr. Vivek. He's hard at work, trying to get the screws out. Okay, we're going to pause for a while. I'm going to help you now. Okay, we've got the screws out, and you're going to remove it from the packaging now. Let's go. I'd like to see how the antenna is hooked up. And turn it over and check to see how to get it out.
There's antennas over here, and this
I'm
is
going to unhook it.
so and
Let me see. Let me see. Can I see?
okay. We're not pausing. We're not pausing 2 times, we'll only pause once.
Okay, son. Okay, it's out. Now, we need to set the batteries.
Okay, first we need to do the remote.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Let's see.
Make sure the screwdriver is fit into the screw.
I think this should work. I mean, first one. See. So this screwdriver is on.
Okay, I'm going to pause it and we're going to help him. We have put the batteries in. Let's see if it works. And there we go. It is working. Try and turn.
Okay, I'll try to.
Try and turn. Turn the wheels.
I'm trying to turn, yes?
Okay, our batteries seem to be a little weak at the moment. So we gotta get some stronger batteries.
Yep, it's weak.
Okay, say bye-bye, Vivek.
Bye.
Look at the camera.
Bye bye.
Okay.